Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID or Touch ID on your smart wallet app. To enable Face ID or Touch ID, first of all, go ahead and open the smart wallet app from your mobile device and log into your wallet like you normally do. Once you're inside the home page, click on the settings button at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, click on Security. You will be able to see the Face ID/Touch ID function inside Security tab. Toggle on the button right next to Face ID or Touch ID, and in order to do that, you'll first need to enter your passcode or your PIN code, and this will then help you enable Touch ID or Face ID. Now, the app will now prompt you to allow Face ID or Touch ID in the pop-up whenever you open up the app. Click on the Allow button and scan your Face ID or Touch ID, and every time you are prompted to enter your PIN code, you can also scan your Face ID or Touch ID to get easy access back to your smart wallet app without having to enter your PIN code. So that is how you enable Face ID. If you want to disable it, you can get back to the settings menu, tap on Security, and toggle off the button right next to Face ID or Touch ID, and again you will need to scan your Face ID or Touch ID to disable this function as well. So there you have it. That's how you easily enable or disable Face ID or Touch ID on your smart wallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.